look at Higgins. There we go.
The dog is an animal who gives unconditional love. They're very forgiving and they're very warm. There are a few studies about the impact of companion dogs on the child with autism. It could decrease the anxiety. There is a recent study showing that even if you have a dog and you have a child with autism, the child's blood level of a hormone called cortisol, the stress hormone, will decrease, and the child is more playful, more social, more interactive, and happier.
Look, do you want to give the doggy some? The doggy wants some too. Yes.
If there is any kind of interest in dogs from the child's side, I think all kids should improve in certain areas. Some, for example, will be afraid to be tested for a blood test. So if we have a child who comes to be checked for a blood test, if Higgins is next to the child, then the child will become less anxious. Or we will have a child where we need to do a physical examination. So we perform the physical exam on the dog first, and that child will be less anxious when we perform the exam on him.
Higgins.
Many times when you have a child who is afraid to come into the office, he will welcome them, and the child becomes less anxious, and he can transition from one room to another. Some of the kids will actually enjoy having a companion just to play with, and he would be a great companion. We use him as a reward system. If we have him sit next to the child will actually do his or her homework, and then he gets to walk the dog. So we can use him for different purposes, and he's very well liked by everybody.
He is a good boy.